Let's see how you can reset the password of Windows 7 without using any kind of software, right? So first of all, let's open Windows 7. Now, if you are not able to see this screen or these options like launch up, startup, repair, what you have to do is you have to suddenly power off your physical machine on which you are running Windows 7. Okay, so select this option. Now Windows is loading some files. Let it load. See, I am performing this practical in virtual machine. Okay, but virtual machine itself think that it is a physical machine. Virtual machine never know that it is performing in a virtual environment. So the steps are exactly same. Okay, now it has started repair. Okay, now I don't know how much time it would be going to take. Maybe it will take around 2 minutes or sometime it take around 10 to 15 minutes. So let me pause this video for a while. Now we have this dialog box. Here you will see an down arrow option. Click on this, go to the last, and here you will see a file .txt file. You have to open this file. Okay, now go to file and click on save as. Here change this to all files and go to C drive. No, in this case we will go to D drive because our window files are stored in D drive. Now go to Windows, search for System32. Here you have to find out of application name Utilman. Utilman is your utility manager. Okay, now rename this. Let me copy this and rename to Utilman 1. Now find command prompt application. You can press C and then search for your files, or you can press CMD quickly. Okay, very quickly. Now rename this to Utilman. Right, now cancel this, close this, also close this, and click on finish. Okay, now our virtual machine gets closed. But if you are performing this on your physical machine, then your machine will be shut down, or sometimes it restart automatically. But if it won't, then you have to start it manually. Now let it start. So Windows is starting, and now you will see your login screen. Okay, see, we have a username ABC, but we don't remember this password. Okay, we don't remember its password, so Let's reset that. Click on Utility Manager. But as we rename CMD to Utilman, our command prompt has been opened. Here you have to type control user passwords 2. Okay, control user passwords 2 and hit enter. Here you will see your username which belongs to administrators group, and at below here you will see an option of reset password. So click on this. Now either you can type a new password or you can leave it blank. In our case we prefer to leave it blank. Click OK, close this, and now don't type any password here, okay, as the password has been removed. Simply press enter. See, it's too easy to break the password in this way. Okay, now remember at the start of this lecture I told you to get launch startup repair option you have to power off your machine suddenly, but that work only in case when you are performing this practical on physical machine. But what if you are performing this practical on virtual machine like me? So in that case you first of all power off all this. After closing virtual machine you have this dashboard. So if you are using a virtual machine, go to settings, go to storage and remove this ISO file, remove this optical drive. Okay, this is the ISO file using which I have installed Windows 7, right? So remove this attachment. As soon as you remove this attachment and you start virtual machine, you will directly see the launch startup repair option. That's it.